Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Google Analytics in your project, on your web project, why Google Analytics is going to be helping you a lot on the SEO analysis and promoting your website as a first recommendation links. Is going to be getting backlinks, which is can be huge for your SEO things and this SEO score, which is can promote and get your website ready to deliver. So all what you need to do, go for Google Analytics, type Google Analytics, then go for this link in your this one, go for this one, go for Google Analytics system. You need to get the login, the things, and so on. You have a Google account, so need to be ready to start the creation thing. So I'm gonna be getting OKD, Google products and services. So it's gonna be just modeling contributions and business insights, technical support, recommendation for your business, which is the most things that we are looking for. Keep checking, guys, what is fits to you. Just keep checking. In my case, I just will let this 3 months as for testing things. Here is gonna be a create property, which is if you have to measure website data, create Google Analytics for property. Each property you create holds your measure data for any selection for size. I will get Mukidi name. So reporting time zone, for the time zone you can change whatever that you want. In my case I would choose Tunisia or other things. The currency is gonna be USD dollars. So the business details, which is gonna be small one. So in my case it's about services. It is not a category. Is gonna be using online computing, referencing, shopping, travel, other business activity. I will go for next. That's best things. So choose your business objective, which is generating leads, major action that indicates potential customers, driver sales, and analysis by transactional website, understand web and app traffic, view user engagement and retention, other business objectives. So it's gonna be selecting all this one. I'm gonna be creating this one. I have to accept the data processing terms, and you can say and consult everything. I press accept. So after that it's gonna be start collecting data. Be sure you're non-relevant property. Choose the source of your data below. So in my case it's gonna be Google one, but before I just keeping the data distribution and so on, need your website to be hosted and so on. So I was gonna be skip for now. So it's gonna be all the things done. I almost done the setup. If you want to set up data collection here, all what you need to do, guys, as I said. So feedback and testing, performance suggestion, updating, announcement. I was gonna be delete all this and save for the newsletter things. So here you need to set up your platform thing. So if you are choosing Android one, package name, of the name, and keep the process. If you have this, I just get a random website. So that's my website. So it's not DB getting create and continue blue button here. So Facebook. After that is gonna be creating the file, the video engagement, site search, outbound clicks, scrolls, page views, and forum interaction. So you're gonna be create and keep it up the thing. So no data received in this one. I will add a stream, or you can just wait for the loading of the data. So here, guys, the most important thing, which is the tagline and the Google tag management. So you need to copy paste this block and make it into your website in order to keep tracking the thing. So you have the ID, the measurement, the stream URL, and so on. So in this case it's gonna be deleting this. So I will just delete it later because it's just random one. So that's how to use it, how to set up the project thing. You need to get that block of script, integrate it in your main application layout, and you're good to go. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Peace.